I'm so cold, I can't get any chores done.
But it's so warm in here.
I'm so cold, can you help me?
Yeah, of course. We just need hot water and sunflower seeds. Let's go make a tea.
Huh, tea?
Yeah, let's go. Come on. All right, let's get the hot water first. First, we'll take a mug. Then fill it up with hot water. Now we just add in the sunflower seeds. Just wait for it to cool and take a drink.
Sunflower seed tea? Are you sure it's gonna work?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Sunflower seeds help increase circulation to keep you warm.
Wow, I feel so much warmer. Thanks, Max.
Oh, no problem. Now let's go finish these chores.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh, is that Max screaming? I heard you screaming. Are you okay?
Oh, I don't have enough time to finish my project. I'm so stressed.
Oh, I have a way to help. All you need is a lighter and a laurel leaf. Place the leaf in the bowl, then use the lighter to light the leaf on fire. Here.
What's burning a leaf gonna do?
Just smell it.
Okay.
Burning a leaf of laurel releases chemicals to reduce stress and anxiety.
Oh.
So, how are you feeling?
Oh, I feel great. Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Good luck on your essay.
Thanks. Me.
Max, you can't go to karaoke like that.
I want to go, but my nose is stuffed.
I know a way to fix that.
What are you gonna do?
All you need is string and garlic. First, take the garlic apart. Now make a necklace out of the garlic clove. First, insert the string through the sewing needle. After that, stick the needle and string through each garlic clove. Now wear this and it'll help with your stuffy nose.
Oh wow, thanks Lily, it's clearing up already.
No problem, let's go to karaoke.
Oh yeah.
Max, you look so funny.
It's just a wig, Lily, it's not that funny. You don't have to laugh that hard.
Oh, I'll just drink water to get rid of my hiccups. Oh no, I still have hiccups.
Oh, don't worry, Lily. For hiccups, we just need peanut butter.
What's peanut butter gonna do?
Here, just try it.
Okay.
Peanut butter changes your breathing patterns to eliminate hiccups.
Wow, my hiccups are gone. Thanks, Max.
Oh, you're welcome. Don't laugh so hard next time.
Okay, I won't. These noodles are gonna be so good. Oh, spicy! Ah! My mouth is burning. Max, help me!
Don't worry, I know how to help. All we need is a tomato. First, cut up the tomato. Here, just take a bite of this.
Are you sure that's gonna work?
Yeah, here, just eat it.
Okay.
The acid in tomatoes helps neutralize the spicy oils.
Oh, my mouth isn't on fire anymore. Thanks, Max.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Now I dare you to eat the spicy noodles.
What? No way. Oh,
Oh, I can't sleep. It's so loud. What's Max doing?
oh yeah.
Max, why are you still playing video games? It's late.
Oh, sorry. I couldn't fall asleep, so I decided to play video games.
You can't sleep? Oh, I have something you can use. To help you sleep, all you need is lavender oil.
Lavender oil? Are you sure?
Yeah, I use it all the time to sleep. Lavender oil will calm your nerves to help you sleep.
Wow, it smells so nice. I feel relaxed already.
No problem. Now try to get some sleep.
All right.
Oh, my feet hurt really bad.
Well, that's what you get for running all day.
Can you help me, please?
Don't worry, I know just the thing to help.
You just carry that around with you?
That's not important. Just take out all the kernels and you can use it as a foot roller.
That sounds weird, but I guess.
Just do that for 5 minutes and your feet will feel a lot better.
Thanks, Max.
No problem. Now don't run so long next time.
Okay. Come on, Max. We have to finish the gardening before Mom comes home.
I know, I'm almost done.
Come on, hurry.
I got a really deep splinter. Can you help me, Lily?
Yeah, I do actually. Let's go to the kitchen.
All right.
For a deep splinter, all we need is soap and sugar. First, cut off some soap. Next, get a cup of hot water. Now let's mix it all together. Soap and sugar paste helps bring the splinter out of your skin so it's easier to remove. Now apply this to the splinter area.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah, my mom used to do this all the time.
Oh, now I can get the splinter out. Oh, that feels so much better. Thanks, Lily.
No problem, let's go finish our chores.
Yeah.
Ooh, these rock candies look so good.
Oh, what happened, Lily?
Oh, I got a sore tooth from this rock candy.
Oh, for a sore tooth, we just need some garlic.
Garlic, are you sure?
Oh, yeah. Just take 1 clove of garlic out. Here, just chew on this.
All right then.
Garlic contains allicin, which helps relieve tooth pain.
Wow, I can't believe that worked.
Yeah, try not to bite so hard.
You're right.
Ooh,
Oh man, this project's so hard.
I can't focus, my brain hurts.
What's wrong, everyone?
We're having trouble focusing.
Oh, I have the perfect solution. I'll just play some music for you all.
What's music supposed to do, Professor?
Yeah.
Well, music activates all parts of the brain to help you focus.
Oh, I remember this equation now.
I don't feel stressed anymore. Thanks, Professor.
No problem, students.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.